Lots to travel, lots to see. Let's start the journey. I am in Morocco, the first time ever in Africa as well. My journey starts in Casablanca. Over 5 million people call this their home. Casablanca is situated right at the Atlantic Ocean. And so is the Hassan II Mosque. The minaret is 210 meters high and is the highest in the world. The mosque isn't that old, it has been finished 1993. This is a must-see in Casablanca, and with a little entrance fee, even non-Muslim can get into this incredible mosque. After the guided tour, it was time to go to the Medina. The Medina seems to be not a very touristy place, but which is great, because I like those places. Another interesting thing to see is Habbous, a city quarter in the south of Casablanca. Overall, Casablanca isn't, for me at least, not such an exciting town. It's just a big town with a lot of traffic, but seeing the mosque was well worth it. Stay tuned for the next episode because my journey just begun.